Advanced Residential Applications and Case Studies. Chapter 8, Cost and Income Approaches. Page 13, check your understanding. Quiz retake. You got 100% on this test, so remember. Number 1, you are appraising a small new home with 1,120 square feet, which sold for $189,000. During the appraisal process, you estimate the site value at $30,000 and the site improvements at $7,000. What is the indicated cost per square foot of the dwelling? You said $135.71, and that was correct. Number 2, you are appraising a unique home which was constructed to resemble a lighthouse. The owner provides you a copy of the construction contract from 8 years ago, stating that the home was built for $880,000. What is probably your best option for estimating cost new today? You said use cost index trending, and that was correct. And lastly, number 3, the contract cost for constructing a house 7 years ago was $485,000. The index for that time was 112.2. The current index is 156.9. What would the cost of the house be today? You said $678,000 and $222. $678,222, and that was correct. And the way I did the math for the index method to get that answer went like this. I took the sale, for whatever it was, the sale price at the time, which was $485,000. And then I divided it by the cost index for what it was at that time 7 years ago, which was 112.2. Now that equals 4,322.63815. I'm assuming this is just like a correlation number. You know, it's kind of like a triangle. I can't say for sure if that's like a price per square foot, because that doesn't make no damn sense. If it is, that's ridiculously expensive. But this is like that correlation number. But now that you have that, all you got to do is find what the current index number is for the effective date now, which is 156.9. So all you got to do is multiply that by 156.9, that index. Bam, and there's your answer. That's how you can do it. Continue. Page 14, market extracted depreciation. After estimating the cost new of the structure, an appraiser then needs to estimate the amount of depreciation that is attributable to the structure. Appraisal textbooks are full of methodology as to how we can calculate this by the breakdown method. We can find physical curable depreciation, physical depreciation short-lived, physical depreciation long-lived, functional obsolescence, curable and incurable, and external obsolescence. Are you about ready to give up? I much prefer to try to extract my depreciation from the market whenever possible. I truly believe it is more accurate as well as more understandable from the client's perspective. In the process, you also are extracting total depreciation, so you don't have to worry about labels putting losses in various pigeonholes and double counting any depreciation. You wind up extracting the total depreciation or loss in value in one package. I really don't care how much of it is physical or functional. It does seem intimidating at first, I'll admit. You have to run through a lot of steps, but it is relatively simple and logical. Follow along with me on this example. Please print this table so you can follow along on the next few pages. It shows a grid and sales 1 through 3. And then on the next row, it says number 1, sales price. And then for sale 1, it is $495,000. For sale 2, it's $340,000. For sale 3, it's $420,000. For row number 2, it says less value of land. Sale 1, you're gonna minus $150,000. Sale 2, you're gonna minus $100,000. And sale 3, you're gonna minus $125,000. Number 3, depreciated cost of improvements. Sale 1 is now $345,000. Sale 2 is now $240,000. Sale 3 is now $295,000. Row 4, cost new of improvements. Sale 1, $555,000. Sale 2, $413,000. And sale 3, $492,000. Number 5, less depreciated cost of improvements. Sale 1, it shows like a minus sign above the $345,000. And then it shows for sale 2 a minus sign above the $240,000. And for sale 3, it says minus $295,000. Weird. I don't understand that. And they're in different spots if you look at the thing. Number 6, row 6 says lump sum dollar depreciation. Sale 1, $210,000. Sale 2, $173,000. And sale 3, $197,000. And lastly, on the last row, number 7, it says lump sum percentage depreciation. For sale 1, it says 37.84%. For sale 2, it says 41.89%. And for sale 3, it says 40.04%. End of page.